Morning, family. Morning, family. It's afternoon, family, evening. This is Ham's Loft. Assalamu alaikum. Took off from work Friday, did some stuff around the house, cleaned up the loft. This is Friday night. We had knockoffs. That's when all the birds scanned in. I'll go inside and look at the scanner. That's our truck right there. That's all the A birds. Let's take a look. All right. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 crates of A birds. Some man Rubio right there. Putting the seals on. That they're cut off. So you can verify that nothing's been let out. All right, there we go. There we go.
I need to get in here.
That's the race secretary, Ray Bird. You can see the kind of crowd we got. We got the crowd right here. They're running the water through. That's our water tank, if you look in there. And then on the end,
Whoa. Back up. No, okay.
see 1, 2, 3, 4 levels. The water automatically goes in the trough. Okay. That's Carlton. And thumbs up on our Rubio right there. Here we go. It's, here we go. Go ahead. Bang on them. Scared the pigeons. Why not? It's Victor. Victor, throw the thumbs up. Our Romanian connection. Carl. Germantown. Okay, come on. That's Carl from Germany. Victor from Romania. Alex from Miami through Cuba. And let's go on the inside. Had it on pause, crazy. Now you can say it. Don't nobody know what you're saying anyway, so we're just gonna just. Here's my bee birds, right there. They go Pancake. Oh man, we ain't talking to you. Every time we put you on YouTube, somebody say something good about you. I already know they don't even know you. Because I sue our race secretary, but I heard none of this be going on. Literally none of this be going on. Look at the clocks. Everybody's clocks are getting ready. Those are all the A's already programmed in. Getting ready to program the B races in. All the bee birds. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, I think 9, because I don't see the brain, so it's over here. 9 lost right now. That's not counting our combine birds from Alabama. There's our race secretary right there.
You want to do yours first?
All right. We're getting ready to do the bee birds, so I'm not going to hold everybody. But thank y'all for watching. Comment, subscribe. Everybody's locking down the A birds, and then we'll get ready to start on the other side for the bee bird. All right, that's it. Comment, subscribe. Do what you do. Peace.